Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I want to share with you my loquats, which I picked them up right now from my tree. There is tons of it, still there is, which I left some to the birds, to the squirrels and everyone. To all, even neighbors, they can come pick them up. So what I want to say that this is a loquat, of course. There's a lot of people, they don't know what it is. It's a very tastiest sweet fruit it is. So this look what we call in Armenian Nor Ashchar. Nor Ashchar, it means a new word. So why do we call that? Because this is the first fruit comes the beginning of the year. Like any fruit which is spring comes, this is the first fruit. It's already winter time. It says it starts to seedling and it's a very sweet, delicious fruit it is. On my channel, on my video, if you go see it, I made already jam with this, which is very, very tasty. I want to show you how you can peel it. Even though you can pick it up from the tips over here, it's kind of a little hard maybe to pull this way, even though it peels, if it's ripe good. But if you grab it from the bottom, it peels it even much easier, the fruits. It comes even bigger pieces like the skin. And this is how you will eat it. You can eat with the skin, but it's a little bit tougher. So you can cut it like this. It has a lot of seeds in it. Don't put that in your mouth, just bite it and then take the seeds out and don't throw them away. Just throw them back into the garden. What it does is recycle, and I have to tell you, you get so many loquats fruit trees will grow that you can share, and they don't need grafting or anything. You can give away and it will grow. So you cannot even kill them, I will say that much. Here it is. Some of them they have 4 seeds, some of them they have 3, and some of them they have only 2 seeds. But I'm going to wash it and clean it one by one. There is in those fruits always there is big and small. Some of them are like from the sun gets brown, and it depends how is the weather and how much you water them. All right, now with the loquats, I washed it, I cleaned it. What did I do? I just showed you. I just peeled them just like this, and then I cut them in half. I cleaned the seeds. Sometimes there is membrane inside. You can take it out if you don't want it. You don't have to. So take the seeds out like this and put them in the jar. Now, this is going to be a compote, which that's what my grandparents, they used to do it. This part over here, I tried to boil it to see, not to change the color, but it's kind of hard to clean it later on. It's breaking. Unless you want to make a compote again, you can peel it, circle like this with seeds in it, and you can put it in the jar. Now, over here, in this empty things, I want to make the syrup, and the syrup will be about 1.5 cups. This is a cup and this is a half water. I'm gonna boil it, which I try to warm it so it won't take too much time. And we're gonna put sugar equal amount. A cup. They are the same. It's gonna be 1.5 cups. The cup is wet, so I want to do it with the dry cup. 1.5 cups. And we're gonna boil this together, melt the sugar. And over here in a pot, I put just regular water over here. Why? Because after we put that in the jar, we're gonna close it after we fill it, and we're gonna put this upside down just to take the air, so this way it will last for you for a long time. So this is the way I have to say in Middle East. My parents, grandparents, summertime we used to get together because we don't have all season fruits over there. So when we had garden, or whenever you buy it from the store, summertime, the mothers, the parents, the ladies, they used to do like this way for the winter time. Until, you know, the summer come back again, they used to prepare the pickles, the apricot, the peach. Now you can do this with the peach, and you can do with apricot. That's what my parents, they used to do it, our grandparents. But now, today, I'm doing with loquats, and I'm sure it's going to be very, very tasty. I never done that before, but because now I decided, I just remember that I can do this with this fruit. Or you could have cleaned it, just like in a freezer when you go, you buy it from the market. Frozen fruits, you can clean them, the seeds, and put them in a freezer, and then you can blend it with different kind of juices and everything. So now I'm going to let this boil a little bit so the sugar will melt. You don't need to put lemon or anything, because some of them, sometimes because of the air, it just turned a little bit down because it was so many by the time I cleaned. Maybe I could have put that in the water so it didn't change the color, but still it's okay, it's fine. But when you do with the peach or apricot, especially with the peach, you can just, to peel the skin, you can put in hot water 1 second, not second, but 1 to 2 minutes maximum, and peel the skin off, and then put them, the fruits, the mouth, when you cut them, you put the mouth down, the opening sides, the lower like this, and on top of each other you put it, and then you put the syrup, and it will be beautiful. Now over here you see it, it's boiling. Now I'm going to put this dish under because I don't want to drip any sugar here and there, and we fill this with hot syrup, just like this. Alright, there you go. Let's put some more. There we go. Let's cover it. You can even put, if you want, a cinnamon sticks in it, or clover, if you like, to give different taste for you. There you go. I guess I filled it a little too much. And so what I have to do now, here you see the water is boiling. Let me put this way. Let's turn this off. I think this is a little too much here. This is just a plain regular water. What I have to do is, you'll take the jar because there is air in it and you want to empty the air. So what you do, you take it upside down. Here I want to show you how it's bubbling. All the bubbles, the air is going out from the jar. And that's how you can preserve it. And later on you can enjoy it whenever you open it. You'll see how the air is coming out from the mason jar. Alright, now it boiled, I took it out. So when you take the jar out, you can put towel, and you can put on towel or in a plate, whichever. But when you're taking it out, it's hot. Do not turn the jar the right way. You keep it like this until it gets cold, because from the pressure, when it's hot, the liquid might come out. So the rubber, mason jar rubber, it has to be cold, and once it's cold, then you can turn it and you keep it, you can put it away, and you can enjoy it whenever you like it. So try this and see if you will like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like, and I thank you again. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.